way to Silom for the water fight, no? Para sa Songkran water fight. I have my little cutesy little gun over here. Si Carl din, he's ready. We are wearing our Songkran outfits. Si Carl din. Hello, Carl. Ay! Why you didn't steer? Namusta? Ang saya ng friend ko. Masaya ka ba, Carl?
Yes. And it will be it will be funnier. It will be more fun.
Hala, ang mas ko! Kailangan yung balik school lang.
Funnier.
Funniest. Huy!
It will be more fun later.
Sige, sige. Let's go. Yung water gun ni Carl, guys, is this blue gun. And compare my cute, tiny red gun. Yes. Mine is red and green. Siya kay blue and yellow. Diba, Carl? Outfit check! Wow! Okay. Tara, guys. So, if you're wondering, we are in the Mandarin Oriental, guys. So, you can watch that in one of our videos, previous ba or after this vlog. I don't know. We'll see. Pero, yeah. Hope you enjoy and we'll see you in Silom. Bye! Ready na may mag? Water fight.
Majorette.
Uy! Ay, namasaay na. Hello guys! Naglalakad kami because it's super traffic. Yan, and Carl also bought a case. Asa na patanaw si mga case, Carl? Patanaw si mga case. Yes, 50 baht. Ala ka. Go, kuya. Ipaglaban mo. At isasayaw ko. Oh. Ah.
I'm not Bigla alam pala.
5 minutes away na si Kuya Ayan. Ito ni Abdul Rahim Foundation. Yes.
So nag-HMUA ako today and tingnan natin kung gaano ka
Effective
kapit
ang HMUA.
ang HMUA natin by Fenty. Wow.
Fancy Beauty.
Fenty Beauty. Let's see
Yes.
kung kaya siya, kung waterproof ba siya or well, not really sure kung waterproof siya but
Water resistant.
malalaman natin.
Ay, Carl, I see the wet. It's there.
Ano to ba?
Basa kayo dito. Guys, as you can see, basa na ang floor. Nagsugod-sugod na ang mga people of making each other wet.
Pero gutom kami.
Hindi nag-lunch. Pero ako, nag-cake ko. Birthday cake ni Carl nga 2 days na. Sabay mga paligyan sa side. 5 minutes away man to siya last time.
Oh. Marag ka tong face mask tong COVID mo. Marag dapat na to.
Dok, bitaw, bright. Nabasa-basa na sugod guys. Pero, kahiun ko. Gusto ko ng CR. Paihiayin yung ante. Tama. Hoy guys. Food traffic din. Tapos super duper wet. Guys, voice over na lang tayo kasi literal kakadating ko lang sa Silom and grabe, na-drain agad si auntie sa dami ng tao. The introvert in me is introverting real hard. My God. Normally, you'd think, yay, the more the merrier pag maraming tao, diba? Pero ako, I was horrified. Susulong tayo dyan, pero okay lang. I like a good challenge. Let's go! Charot. Hi guys, sardinas me. Oh my God guys, pagod na ako pero laban lang kasi may imimita yung special guest na si Kuya Ian. Senior ko siya back in university. Kaya susugod pa rin tayo. Let's do this. Daming tao guys. So many people. bumili.
Ano, 20 lang pala na ito ba?
Times 2.
20 na
Wala
lang.
na 20 na ako daw. Bakit ang 50?
Wow. Sige lang.
Quick tip, kung sasali kayo sa Songkran, please wear glasses or anything na makakapag-protect sa mata nyo. Hindi mo alam kung malinis ba yung tubig o kung ano bang meron dyan, kaya better safe than red eye. Nabasaan ako, Carl. Ayan na siya, si Kuya Ian. Super talino niyo guys. Senior ko siya sa Aten News, the official student publication ng Ateneo de Davao University. Yes, shout out sa mga taga Davao, represent! Wait, son! By the way, may mga refill station sa paligid ng kalsada. Usually 5 to 10 baht per refill, depende sa laki ng water gun mo. So don't worry, hindi ka maubusan ng bala sa basaan. Hi, Carl! Hi! Hi! Wanna join my vlog? Hello!
Oh no!
Alam niyo ba, ang Songkran ay ang Thai New Year na ginaganap tuwing April 13 to 15. Tradisyon ito ng paglilinis, paggalang sa matatanda at bagong simula. Pero ngayon, isa na siyang nationwide water fight na sobrang saya. Nagsosuot ang mga tao ng floral shirts, may music sa kalsada at walang ligtas sa basaan. Kaya kung gusto mo ng unique at unforgettable na festival, ito na yon. We started sa isang spot malapit sa water tub para easy refill. Then after 30 minutes, nilakasan na namin yung loob namin and explored the area. May EDM zones, rave music, at siksikang tao. Ang saya pero grabe rin yung crowd. At kung petite ka like me, puro likod lang talaga makikita mo guys. First time kong mag-Songkran water fight sa gabi with this massive crowd. At baka last na rin kasi mabilis mapagod ang auntie nyo. Pero sobrang thankful ako na naranasan ko to. Definitely one for the books. Welcome to my vlog!
Hi!
Hello! So, finally done with Songkran. Super wet, no? Pero, okay lang. It was fun. And, oh, I don't think I'm gonna do that again. Grabe, ang daming tao. It was super fun. Pero probably not for me, especially someone na medyo low energy, introverted. But I had a lot of fun. If you have friends especially, you should go try Songkran, guys. Pero the problem lang that I noticed is that sobrang daming tao. And because if sa Silom ka, Silom street, as in makikita mo, kino-close talaga nila yung roads kasi daming tao. And hirap makakuha ng transportation. At you'll be so wet, you'll be dripping wet, no? So, ako sumakay na ako ng motor, pero if sasakay ka ng taxi, baka, mababasa yung taxi seats. So, yun lang guys, something that I noticed. So, if pupunta ka, maybe go somewhere closer, or you ride a grab bike, motorcycle, or if may transportation kayo, go lang. So, yan guys, happy Songkran!